Take a second and look back. What have you actually done over the last 6 months? How much time have you invested in yourself? How hard have you worked toward your goals? And most importantly, what have you truly accomplished? If you've been showing up every single day, putting in the work, and becoming a better version of yourself, then seriously, congratulations. But the truth is, I know that 99% of people are still exactly where they were at the beginning of the year. And that's exactly why the 1% stands apart from everyone else. At the start of the year, you made promises to yourself. You set goals. You built plans. But did you actually follow through? Did you accomplish what you said you would? Maybe you stayed consistent for a few days. Maybe you followed your routine for a week, maybe even 2. If we're being generous, maybe 10 or 20 days. But then what happened? You slipped right back into your old habits. No structure, no discipline, just excuse after excuse, wasting time. And every night ended with the same thought, I'll start tomorrow. Little by little, you lost your discipline. You lost your focus. And before you even realized it, you drifted away from the very goals you once promised yourself. And no, it's not your friends. It's not your family. It's not your circumstances. The biggest reason you're where you are today is you. Because if you were truly committed to your goals, if you were genuinely serious about building the life you want, no negativity, no distractions, and no one else could have pulled you away from that path. Now ask yourself something. Who opened Instagram? Who opened Facebook? Who spent hours scrolling through endless reels? You did. So don't blame anyone. Your current situation is the result of your own choices. And if you've watched this video hoping I'd give you some secret productivity hack or a magic trick to stay focused, you're looking in the wrong place. Because that's not what this video is about. I'm only here to remind you of one thing. What have you done for yourself over the past 6 months? How much have you sacrificed for your dream? How much have you invested in your future? When this video ends, ask yourself these questions. Have you truly worked for your goals? Have you treated your dreams like they actually matter? Have you fought every single day to build the future you say you want? No one else can answer those questions for you. The answer is already inside you. And before you leave, remember this. You don't have a full year anymore. You only have 6 months left. Now the decision is yours. Are you going to waste these next 6 months just like the last ones? Or are you going to look in the mirror on December 31st and finally be proud of the person staring back at you, staring?